What's up, people? Charles here. And in this video, I haven't seen none of your so called gurus put anything out to really show you how to become a true entrepreneur online, because they're leading you to think that the business opportunity that they're promoting, that you're a business owner, which is far from the truth. And they don't want you to know that because they want you to be their customer. They don't want you to be their competition, because they figure if they teach you everything they know, then you'll be competition, which is really far from the truth when you're on the internet. Because for one, it's people are different, and people gonna relate to different people. Some people gonna relate to me. Some people gonna relate to her over there. Some people gonna relate to him over there. So it's it's wide open, and everybody can make money on the internet, because everybody not gonna relate to just one person. They're gonna relate to a person that either been down the same road they've been down, or they have something in common, or something about that person just draws them in. And that's basically what but these gurus, they're not going to tell you that. They're just going to make you think that everybody is following them, and just everybody's going to be clinging to them, and they just want to suck all the money out of you by giving you false hope. And that's why they're making money and you're still struggling. You ever wonder, when you join somebody, you join a business, and it seems like the guru is making all the money, and none of his team anything? You ever wonder why? It's because that guru's not going to tell you everything that they're doing. For one, is because they don't want you to compete with them. And then long as they got you in their pocket, when they join something new, they go to something new, you gonna go right behind them, and you haven't even had success in the first business. But just because you see the guru, like, oh, he's making money in it, not knowing he already has a following, or he already has built the email list where he could just send out an email, and it makes it look like he's making money out of thin air, which is where he's just built the following up. But I want to give you some tips, some real tips. This is what you should. This is what you should be first. Come online. This is what you be doing. One, if you don't have money, where I'm from, it's only $100 to do this. But I'm gonna show you how to do this. Okay, you're gonna start a LLC or corporation, and depending on your state is what you're going to pay. And Maryland, where I'm from, $100. And so what a LLC is basically you, but it's a business. You'll be operating as a business. This is the first thing you want to do when you come online. Stop coming online and just join the opportunity and think that you're gonna have success, because the success is not gonna come overnight, because everybody thinks it's a push button. You got that lottery mentality. This is not push button. It's gonna take some time. And after you start your LLC, you're gonna want to do this. Build uh, build your business credit. Build your business credit. And there's steps to building your business credit. It's not like your personal credit. You go through some steps to build your business credit. But then if you decide you wanna go out and start or join a company or business, you'll have some capital behind you. Because in 6 to 12 months, depending on how high speed you are, you can build 100,000 to 250,000 in business credit, and then you'll have funds to be able to advertise, and you'll be able to compete with these other online entities, because you'll be on the playing field will be level. And this is what either your guru doesn't know this, or your guru is not going to tell you this. But most of them, I don't think they know about this, because a lot of them are they jump in opportunities and they done built up a following, and it's easy for them to make money. But I don't think a lot of them know about this starting an LLC and building business credit, because they're looking at their downline as their customers. You guys are their customers. That's why it seems like everything they touch, they make money right away. But you wondering why you can't make money right away is because, for one, you don't have a following. For two, you came online looking to make money and you don't even really have it. So those are your two disadvantages right there when you get started. And then a lot of people are scared to get on camera and talk, because with YouTube, this is free. You get on camera and you basically talk, and eventually people gonna see these videos and they're gonna watch your growth. And some people might not join you, but instead of whatever company what's the name, don't brand that company, do videos of yourself. Or do them like this. Like, you don't see me, you see my face in the corner, but you don't see me, you just hear me talking. You can do your videos like this until you build up your confidence to be in front of the camera and speak, because this is not hard. Like, this is what the world is going to. The internet, this is where the world is going. Look at all the stores that's closing down. It's because, for one, 9 times out of 10, they didn't have enough business credit, or they probably didn't even have business credit or knew anything about it. So that's why they're crashing, because they couldn't survive, because the internet excuse me, the internet has basically took all their customers because everybody's buying stuff online. They're not shopping in stores as much. They're going online. They're not even they're not even leaving their houses. They're just shopping online. But this is what you want to do. This is 2 steps. Go do your research. Find out whatever state you're in about LLCs and corporations, and do your research on building business credit. I don't know if you're gonna really find nothing out there about business credit, but I'm thinking about putting a course together on business credit. It's not gonna be expensive, but I'm thinking about putting a course together for that and putting it on the market because this is really what people are not telling y'all. And I figured I'd do a video and let y'all know what's going on with and what you should be doing. You should be operating as a business. You should be operating under an EIN and not your social security number anymore, because in this realm you should be, because businesses deal with businesses, and that's where you want to be. You want to be a part of. You want to play the game. They want be operate as a business. That's what we're gonna do. Play the game. So that's basically all it is. Because if you keep operating as the natural human, you're always gonna work paycheck to paycheck. You're never gonna get out that rut. So like and subscribe to my channel. I ain't mean to talk you to death, but I'm just tired of seeing the gurus just use the people up. Like and subscribe, and I'll see